Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your MOTOROLA Moto G57 Power. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to battery settings. So unlock your phone, go over to settings, and then select battery. Here, what you guys want to do is go over to battery usage. You will see which app used how much of the battery. This phone is freshly new, so there's no apps right here. You guys need to detect the ones with the highest usage. Now you simply go here and make sure that you have the manage battery app usage right here. Now you guys can select smart use or don't allow, so it won't run in the background and it will preserve your battery life. So make sure to do that. Now what you guys want to do is go over and uninstall the bloatware. So the bloatware is, for example, out of games like Block Blast. You just uninstall it like that. Toon Blast, go to app info, uninstall, and you guys can do that with every single app that you do not need on the phone. And after that, what you guys want to do is install AccuBattery. So this is actually a very cool app. Let's go and make sure to not install the ampere flow. Go to AccuBattery and click install. Now let's go over and press open. Here everything is set up. This is the calibration. Let's go over and click finish. We need to charge our phone at least 5 times. We need to charge it when it's below 15% to manage our battery health. So we will see our real battery health, even though we can see it in the settings. This is the exact one. Here we have the estimated capacity, and we need 5 valid charge sessions to make sure that it works. So after that, what you guys want to do is restart the phone. So this is as a last resort. You just press the power button and the volume up button.
I can restart or power off.
So I had to do it quickly because the Gemini was talking. Now it's restarting, and after restart, if the battery is still draining, there's some issue with the battery and you should go to the authorized service because there may be an error that you just cannot find in the settings. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.